Realme 7 Pro. Pro Performer. Display and camera. The Realme 7 Pro attributes a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The HD Plus screen offers a pixel density of 395p. Additionally, the device gets an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. As per the speculations, Realme 7 Pro features a quad-camera setup with ISOCELL Plus sensor. The setup includes a 64MP primary camera supported by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, 12MP telephoto camera, and 2MP lens. The front fascia sports a dual-camera punch-hole selfie camera setup with a 16MP primary camera and 12MP camera. Performance and battery. Powering the Realme 7 Pro is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset resting over an octa-core processor clocking at 2.4 GHz to provide a lag-free and seamless performance to the device. With Adreno 620 GPU and 8GB RAM, the overall efficiency of the smartphone maximizes a smooth multitasking experience. Powered by VOOC Fast Charge, Realme 7 offers 6000 mAh battery capacity. The fast charging technology charges 40% of the battery within 15 minutes. Storage and connectivity. The internal capacity of the smartphone is 64 GB, which can be further expanded up to 256 GB. The OS version of 7 Pro is Android 10, customed with device Macara Senta SUI. The connectivity of the smartphone offers 4G Volt network, dual SIM, USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, and a GPS with GLONASS. Realme 7 Pro price. Realme 7 Pro price is expected to be 17,999 rupees. Realme 7 Pro expected to be launched on July 29, 2020. This is 6GB RAM. 64GB internal storage base variant of Realme 7 Pro, which is expected to available in black, gold color. Buy for decent looks, magnificent camera setup, powerful hardware configuration backed by 8GB RAM, massive battery capacity with quick charging functionality. Verdict. The Realme 7 Pro is the flagship model for the 7 series. The smartphone offers a striking HD Plus display with a premium design. To add onto its spec sheet, the device offers an impressive camera setup, massive battery potential, and the latest operating system. Such specifications and marginal price tag have made it one of the best upcoming smartphones. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.